Hello my dear students, hope you all are fit and fine. Okay, topics we covered last was Introduction to MS PowerPoint, starting the PowerPoint, overview of PowerPoint screen, navigation pane, slide area, placeholder and view buttons. Hope you all have revised this. So today, now I am going to start in this lecture. Will be creating a new slides, creating a title slide, adding text box, word art, saving the presentation, opening an existing presentation and exiting PowerPoint. So let us start with the first topic, create a title slide. Now create a title. What do you mean by title? Title means a heading, right? So when you want to create a title, means you might have noticed when I start the presentation, when I start the video, I show you the title which shows the chapter and the chapter name. So how to do it? Very simple. Click and type the title in the click to add title, and then if you want to give a subtitle, subtitle means a part of a title, you can add it. I'm going to show you how. See now I'm opening any web slide. Let us see. Suppose I have opened, this is my new slide. When I open a new slide, you can see it is written click to add title. So here I can add title, whatever title means whatever heading I want to give, right? That is called a title. Okay, now moving on to next, we have next creating new slides, right? Now creating new slides means if you want to create a new page, right? So if you want to create a new slide, there is a button, new slide button, and then you can click the layout you want to insert. I am going to show you how. Go to home, this is the button, create new slide. Okay, click on it. These all are the layouts. Layouts means what kind of slide you want to add. This a title slide, or a title and content, or a section header, to content comparison, title only, and so on. So these all are the layout of the slides you can add. While creating the new slides, you can choose a layout, right? Do any, like suppose I choose section and header. So like this, see, slide is added. And wherever you want to add slide, you have to go to new slide and then afterwards do new slide. Okay, there is one shortcut also, Control plus M. Control plus M. Okay, M for monkey. So that is a shortcut to add a new slide, right? Now adding text box and word art. Now what is text box? A box in which we can write. And what is word art? Fancy art of writing, means if I want to write in a beautiful, in a decorative way, that is called as word art. So first adding text box. Text box, how you can add text box? Whenever you want to add something, first option you look at is insert. So go to insert, right? You will get an option directly, text box. Click on that. Once you selected text box, you can create a box here. A box will be created here. Okay, this is all your text box. Now you can write anything in that. Got it? So this way you can add a text box. Now word art. Again word art, you will find in insert tab. I am already in insert tab. Go to word art. Okay, choose any, these all the styles. So choose any style. Suppose I choose this style. Your text here means you can write something here and it will come in that particular style which you choose. Okay, so I am writing word art here. Word art. Now you have seen, I can give more options also, like shape outline, shape fill. Okay, there are many more options in word art, so you can use all this. So this is called word art. So we have done text box and word arts. Both option you will find where? In the insert box, insert tab, right? Okay, then we have saving, opening and exiting the presentation. Save. To save anything, what you do? Control plus S. Control plus S. I want to save it. I pressed Control plus S. Now as name was already given, so it is saved by like this. If I want to give a name, So what you will do, save as, give a name, like I have given chapter 5 grade 5th, and then choose the location from here. Okay, and save. It will be saved. It is coming already. Want to replace? No. Right? This is saving. Opening a presentation. Opening means it is already there. When the presentation is already there and you want to open it. So for opening the presentation, shortcut is Control plus O. So when I press Control plus O, they will ask me the file name. Which file you want to open? Please type the name and then it will get open. You can see here open option is coming. Okay, right? And then exiting. Exiting means going out of it. Going out is simple. Just close this cross button and you can go. Like if I press close, do you want to save the changes? They ask if you want to save the changes, yes or no, and then you will go out of it. Right? So got it? This lecture was very easy. What we did today, creating new slides, adding a title to new slide. Okay, then adding insert box, text box, word art, saving, opening and exiting the presentation. Revise well and do practice. Make a presentation on COVID-19 using these all options. Thank you.